Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn on online status in Threads, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on the online status in your Threads app, first open up your Threads app on your phone, and after opening your Threads app guys, you land on this interface, which is the home interface of Threads. And on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the two-lined icon available for us just beside the camera icon. Tap on the two-lined icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you land over here where you can see the privacy option available for us just below the archive or above the accessibility. Tap on the privacy option over here, and you can see the third option that says online status. Now in order to turn on your online status, tap on it, and you land over here where you can see you can choose to turn on or show your online status in Threads to the followers you follow back, your followers only, or anyone on Threads. And with that being chosen guys, if you want to show your online status to anyone, tap on anyone, or else you can choose between these two options where it says followers and followers you follow back. And with that being done guys, this is how you'll be able to turn on the online status in Threads. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.